Hello, kids. How are you doing? I have a question for you. Can you make a tower using cups? It's very simple and super fun. Everything you need is cups like this, plastic cups. And then you can create a base. Ooh. Ta-dum. And then you put the other cups in the middle, between a cup and the other. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ta-da! Look at my beautiful tower. I'm going to take it out. All right. Now that you have seen the video, I would like you to try and create your own cup tower and post it on Seesaw so I can check all your results out, okay? You can make towers like this, you can create towers like this. It's up to you. Use your imagination and post it a lot, okay? Bye-bye, guys!